It's Naya C. Today we're doing a quick, first of all, if you are new to my channel, subscribe. Hey girl. We are doing a quick lash review on Bria'S Glam Studio Lashes. So let's get into it. Alright, so first of all, y'all, I feel so naked because even when I don't got on makeup, I always got on lashes. Okay, so I ordered 2 sets of lashes. I'm about to open it right now. 2 sets of lashes. I ordered one for like, okay, so when I'm not wearing the individual extensions, I like to wear my strips because, girl, lashes do the look, okay? Because right now, this ain't it, all right? Wait till I put on these lashes, and then hey, y'all gonna see the difference. So they took about a week. I ordered it on a Thursday, got it the following Thursday. And let's see what I got, y'all. Let's see. Let me stop. I be making mad noise. All right, so these lashes, Fairy Tale. I don't even know if you can see it. It's probably gonna take a while to come up. Anyways, girl, say Fairy Tale. This is the box. Bria'S Glam Studio. So this Fairy Tale one, girl, these are mad long. But girl, I'm about to try these on. I'm so hyped because, girl, I love me some lashes. I love me some long lashes. Look at me. I'm peeling them off and ready because y'all don't even know how I'm about to get into it. All right, so that was Fairy Tale. Now we gonna get into wings. So this is the wing set. Like, I don't know, it's gonna be taking too long for it to pop up, and girl, we ain't got no time for that. Okay, so this is wings, and this long glamorous one right here, Fairy Tale. So I bought 2 lashes for a reason, because I wanted one for more like a regular everyday when I don't got my individuals on, and I needed one for when I go out and I could just be like, hey girl. Let me stop. But this one, see, this one is more calm. This one is more everyday, okay? But this is cute too though. They either one could, you know, go out for everyday, go out of town with, but these are cute. They more calm. So, you know, I might have to add these to my lash collection. Y'all don't even know. I have a Ziploc bag full of just lashes because, girl, like I said, it makes the look, okay? Like, this is my look, okay? On a regular basis, it's lashes, lip gloss, and brows, okay? I don't even do my brows. I just use, like, brow gel and, like, just shape them into place and call it a day, okay? That's my everyday look. All right, but I'm about to try on these lashes and we be right back. I'm thinking I'm gonna try on wings first. Be right back. All right, y'all, so I put on wings, and this was the one I said I liked for more a calm day, but girl, they still look good. Okay, let me stop. But yeah, so I like lashes that have a thick band really last for a long time. These lashes have a thick band, so I know I'm gonna have them for a little minute. But yeah, they came out good. See when I look down? Yes, y'all. Now I feel like myself because now she here, okay? Now she here. But I'm gonna try on the other one. And the other one was Fairy Tale, and that one was more like dramatic. All right, so let's see. If you like wings, like this video. Okay, so this is Fairy Tale. Love Fairy Tale because it's so extra, it's dramatic. It's like, girl, you can't tell me nothing. Lashes, okay? I feel like these are super dramatic, but they're super bold. I feel like a lot of drags will like these lashes. They will love these lashes. I forgot to tell y'all, I was so hyped to put them on. I forgot to tell y'all how much I paid. So for these Fairy Tale ones, I paid $6.99. I think, girl, that's a good buy. Okay, that's a good buy. I got these for $6.99, and then the wings one I think was like $15. So it's not bad. So Bria'S Glam Studio be having some good sales, some random good sales. I think I should definitely check it out. Why this one keep going elsewhere? But definitely check it out. I will leave her website below. like this video, comment, and subscribe, girl. I'm about to take some pictures of my new lashes. Bye.